Okay, so first we will go to the breakdance search and then click on the first link. After that, click on get started, get breakdance. Then you will be redirected to this pop-up. Just click on the get the plugin. After doing that, we will redirect here. We will select free plan for now. If you want to paid plan, you can select paid plan also. It will give more element and design libraries and other custom functionality like CSS manager and other stuff. We will get started. After doing that, we will get this. Here we have to submit an email address, name, and the last name. After free download, we click free download. You will get a button here for download the plugin, and here for the license. I will show you this. Wait for a second. Here we get this. In this, we will download it, copy the license. Now go to the plugin section, add new plugin, and from here upload plugin and choose plugin. We will select the breakdance. Okay, and install. It will install the plugin, and you will get an notification for activate the plugin. I already have, so I get replacement. Now you just wait for a few minutes, seconds. Okay, it finishes its work, so you will be redirected to this page. After that, you don't have to do anything here much. Just add your license key here to activate the plugin. That's it.